In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset a password in Salesforce. Whether you've forgotten your password or just need to update it for security reasons, these simple steps will guide you through the process quickly and efficiently. To begin, you'll need to head over to the Salesforce login page. This is the same page you access whenever you're logging into Salesforce. Once there, have a quick scan for the Forgot Your Password link. This is typically situated right near the password entry field. Go ahead and click on this link. Now the next step is to input your username. Your username is usually the email address you registered with or the one associated with your Salesforce account. Once you've entered your username, find the Continue button on the page and click on it. This action will kickstart the password reset process. At this point, Salesforce will send you a password reset email, so make sure to check the inbox of the email account tied to your Salesforce username. If you don't see the email right away, give it a few minutes. Sometimes it helps to refresh your inbox or check your spam or junk folders just in case it ended up there. When the email arrives, open it to find a message from Salesforce with further instructions. Look for a prominent link in the email which is designed for resetting your password. Go ahead and click on that link. This will redirect you to a special page within Salesforce where you'll be able to create a new password. Now it's time to enter your new password. When choosing a new password, it's important to ensure it meets any complexity requirements set by Salesforce or your organization's IT policy. This often means including a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Make sure it's something you can remember or store it securely in a password manager to avoid any future login issues. Once you've entered and confirmed your new password, you'll need to click the Change Password button to finalize the process. If everything has been done correctly, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully updated. And that's it. You've now reset your Salesforce password and you can log in again using your new credentials. Remember to keep your password safe and confidential to protect your account. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.